Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a tutorial using new products. I picked up my gratis the last time I worked, so 2 weeks ago, and I have had it off on the side because I'm going to do a gratis haul for you guys, but I'm going to use some of those products today. So if you want to see what we're going to do, then let's go. Alright guys, so for my primer today I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Base. This is not a new product. This is something that I've had for a really long time, and I've gotten through quite a bit of it, and I just really like it. I feel like for an oily skin, this is a great primer because it has citrus in it, and I feel like citrus really helps to control oil. It hydrates the skin, but it also absorbs quickly into the skin. So I think anyone that's like normal to, I'm gonna be honest, I really feel like anyone can use this. Anyone that's oily, anyone that's dry, normal, because it really does hydrate the skin and it absorbs, but it does not leave the skin greasy. So that's my spiel, and I'm sticking to it. And I'm sticking to it. Alright guys, so that's what our skin looks like, or my skin I should say. So I got the Marc Jacobs Shameless Makeup Foundation, and the shade I got was Y370, and we're going to shake this up. And I'm actually going to mix it with this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Soft Light highlighter, and this is in the shade 30. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that highlighter and mix it with my foundation. I really love the packaging on this because you just squeeze and the product comes out, but at the same time, I also feel like because of the packaging, you could overuse some of your product. So I'm just mixing this. I'm going to be using my Sephora Pro Slanted Buffing Brush. It's number 88. And I got this last time in gratis. Oh yes, I like the way this looks. Sorry guys, I gotta look into my mirror to see what I'm doing. So I am a little bit tan still. I was worried that this shade wasn't going to match me because I picked this color out before I had a tan. You guys can see that my body is slightly darker than my face, so we'll just go in with some bronzer. You could also mix a darker foundation into your foundations if you really want it to match. I'm just going to pounce this under my eyes and on top. I would say that the coverage is light to medium on this. I'm going to build it up just a little bit around my cheeks and see what that looks like. And I'm not going to mix it with the highlighter anymore. I'm just going to go in with the foundation and just hit my cheeks with it. So I tried the new Beauty Blender foundation. I actually got it. And we went to Michigan, and I think I might have left it in the house that we stayed. But I was thinking I was going to return it. I wanted to do a video showing you guys why. I just feel like on my skin it didn't wear all that great. It looks pretty, but it just doesn't wear all that well. Alright guys, and that's what it looks like. I'm going to bring this down into my neck. Okay, so for the concealer today, I'm going to be using my Becca, what is this one called? Ultimate Coverage Concealer, and the shade that I have is Caramel, which I think it's a bit light, but we're going to make it work. And I'm just going to take this. This is a really thick concealer, so I really have to just kind of dab it on and not smear it on the way I would with like my Tarte Shape Tape, because this is like thick. So I'm just going to place this on with my finger, and then that way it'll help the product spread and thin out and not look so thick. And it is a really good concealer. I just wish that the color had been a little bit more peachy and tan. Can you guys hear Marco? He is so like dramatic. He will legit like fake cry. No tears, nothing, and it legit sounds like he's crying. And then as soon as he sees me, he starts laughing. He's like, literally, that's what he said. He's like, he is like his mama for sure. I do feel like he has a lot of my personality. Like, I was always really traviesa, and especially like curious, but like in a naughty way. And I always play jokes on my mom, where I like freak her out. And Marco is definitely like that. I started to hide and like scare him. We do this with all the kids, okay? And you know, I remember when we used to do it to my niece, she'd get scared. And sometimes she'd laugh, but for the most part, I think it kind of like freaked her out a little bit. And with Marco, he laughs. Like the first time I did it, I remember, I'll get him good. Like I'll hide in, you know, like the bathroom, or I'll hide like in the kitchen behind the fridge. And when he comes out, I just jump out and I scare him. And he laughs every single time. Like it scares him, and then he laughs. He's just like cracking up. So he's started to do that. And he likes to hide behind the couch, and then he'll be like, ah, you know, so he walks around literally going, ah, to everything. It's really cute. You can definitely see his personality now. I'm going to take this Marc Jacobs Invisible Finish Line powder, and this is what it looks like. It's not my favorite, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm going to use this Bare Minerals brush that you guys know I love so much, and I'm just going to take it. It has a net. Alright guys, so I am back with eyebrows, and then I did my Dior 3D Lash Maximizer on my lashes because I don't have anything else, and honestly, I love that stuff, and I would repurchase it over and over and over again because it's just so good. But I have a new mascara. I got the Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara, and initially when I saw the wand, I think I hauled this for you guys during my last gratis video. I didn't think I was gonna like it. So these are plastic bristles, and I typically don't like plastic bristles, but what I will tell you guys is that it has, they're so packedly pressed, I guess, that, you know, there's very little gap between each bristle, and it really does give you separated lashes. It gives you length, not so much volume, but it is a really good mascara, and I was pleasantly surprised. Like, look. It's super black. It's a good mascara. So, you know, again, I'm typically not a fan of the plastic bristles, but I was pleasantly surprised by this guy. And you could feel them, like you can feel them separating. You can build this up to give you a really dark, long lash. I love it. So good job, Smashbox. I will say that with this one, I find, look at this, that it gets on my lid, which is no big deal because we're going to use an eyeliner today anyway. And if it's slightly higher, then we'll go ahead and clean it up. But I'm so impressed with this. I really like how it separates the lashes. And even though I did put on a primer, this thing just kind of breaks that primer up to really separate your lashes. I'm going to go ahead and apply some to the lower lashes. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty eyeliner. I got this in gratis also, and I will tell you guys I have used this, and I've used a mascara, and I really love the mascara. It doesn't run on the bottom or anything. And this eyeliner is so black and so smooth, and I would say that the tip is like the Stila liner, so if you have any experience with that, it's very flexible and soft. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a very thin line. It's very smooth and black. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the liner off camera, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so this is what the liner looks like. It's super smooth and black, and I really love it. And you can put the cap on the back like you would like a pen, which I really love because you know how easy it is to lose them. So absolutely love it. I think right now it's by far my favorite eyeliner, and I really love the Kat Von D ink liner. But guys, this one she surprised me, and I was like, get it. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using the Anastasia powder bronzer in Saddle, and I put my nail through it like an idiot. And I'm going to be using my MAC 135 brush and tapping off any excess, and then just hitting that cheekbone. Alright guys, and I'm going to take that same bronzer and I'm going to apply it with, what is this? A Coastal Scents BR250 brush, and I'm just going to hit the crease with it just a little bit. I have a hair on my eyebrow. We'll do that to both eyes, but just a little bit of definition. Alright guys, so this is what the bronzer looks like. I really like it, and I put it in the crease and also a little bit on the lower lash line just to add, you know, a little bit of something to the look. Now it's time for the highlight. Actually, no, let's do blush. I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills Trio. This is the Cocktail Party, and it looks like this, and I really like it. I'm actually going to use this really dark brown shade and just see what it looks like. I haven't played with this one yet, but I'm curious about... Ooh, she's pretty. I'm surprised by this color. I really thought it was going to look more like a bronzer, but it has a little bit of a pinky finish to it. I like it. Mama like. I've never tried her blushes. Honestly, the only thing I've ever tried are her highlighters, her brow products, and her glow. I've tried quite a bit of her products actually, but never like the blush products, we'll say, and or the bronzers, but I really like them. Now we are going to go in with the NARS Orgasm powder, the loose powder, and this I got in gratis, and I also had hauled it a few weeks ago, which I'm like, damn it, that would happen to me. So I'm gonna give it to my friend. So I'm just going to pop this. Look at that. I'm going to take it under the brow and just really blend it out. What I really love about this product is that you can buff it out and it just disperses beautifully, and it looks really like soft. It doesn't look hard. I mean, you could definitely get it to look super intense, but it's just so easy to blend out, and I love that. All right, I am going to take this Kat Von D brow powder, and this is in the shade dark brown. Mine broke. It looks like this. I'm going to take this Smashbox brow brush. I've had this brush forever. And I'm just going to take this through the middle of the brow and then bring it out into the tail, just to kind of soften up my brows a little bit. I wish that I was one of those girls that could do a really natural looking brow, but honestly, because I have almost nothing, you guys have seen me, I have to go in like heavy handed, because even natural is like nothing for me. I started to do this, fill in my brow after with a powder, because I think it's been like about a month and a half now, I at the school that I work at, we had an event for the Dreamers Club. We did a fundraiser and we had Senator Durbin out. And so I took pictures with him, but the way that the light was hitting me, it completely washed my eyebrows out. And I intentionally went a little heavier that day, but it was so hot. Like, it was ridiculously hot that day. And I just felt like, I'm like, did my makeup wear off? Like, what happened? And I know towards the end, my makeup had worn off, but not my brows. But my brows were like gone. So I was telling my friend about it and I sent her a picture and she's like, maybe you should try a powder. I'm like, right away. I got it right away because I'm like, never again. Like, I can't do that. So anyway, so this is what we are looking at, ladies and gentlemen. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a lippy, but I need to pick something out because I haven't picked anything out and I didn't get anything in gratis. So let me see what I come up with. All right, guys. So for my lips, I'm going to take this Vamplify lip gloss by MAC, and this is in the shade Tuned In. It's just a really pretty mauve. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. All right, guys, this is the final look using all of these new goodies. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know if you have any requests down below. Also let me know if you have any questions about any of the products that I've used today. I've actually have tried them a few times, I'm not gonna lie. But I do have a really good idea as to how I feel about these products, and I do like them a lot. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to have your friends, your family, your sisters, your cousins, your tias, your tios, your abuelitos, your everybody, your neighbors to subscribe and follow me. Share. Sharing is caring. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. So today we are going to be doing this look. It's very simple, but it's going to be with new products, new goodies, things that I've gotten in gratis. And you guys will see that video soon. I have found some new things that I really, really like, and I think that you guys will enjoy them also. So if you want to see how I got this look, or if you're curious about what products I've used, then let's go. Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. My name is Gabriela, in case you're new to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this look here, which is just a really pretty natural look. But the exciting part, guys, is if you read the title, I've got some new goodies. So I wanted to try some of the things I got in gratis, and I have been wearing them, I'm not gonna lie. But I really wanted to show you guys what they look like because I'm pretty excited about just about the whole face. I think that the products that I've used today are fantastic. I love them. So if you're curious to see what this mama used, then let's go.